Google Gemini dropped 6 features that are total game changers. We're talking about AI that processes things like an actual human brain, stuff that works inside Gmail and Google Docs, so you're done with copy paste forever, and it learns your style so you never explain twice. This is going to save you crazy amounts of time. Here's what you need to know. All right, so Google pushed out 6 new Gemini capabilities and almost nobody's talking about them. Wild, right? These aren't gimmicks. They're tools that get stuff done, not the overhyped AI garbage that sounds cool, but delivers nothing useful. I'm covering all 6 here. Exactly what they do and how you can start using them immediately for actual results. Let's kick off with the monster update, Gemini Advanced Reasoning. This fundamentally changes how Gemini operates. Total shift. Previous version answered fast but choked on anything complicated. It loses the thread halfway. Forget your original question, made you want to throw your laptop. Current version processes like a human brain, breaks massive problems into bite-sized pieces, solves each piece individually, then connects everything into your final answer. Perfect for writing detailed reports, creating business strategies, crunching complex data, anything requiring serious thinking power. Here's the situation. Say you're building out a business plan. Previous Gemini handed you a skeleton outline, maybe some generic points, then left you to figure out the rest alone. Current Gemini with advanced reasoning handles the entire thing, conducts market research, analyzes your competition, creates financial projections, full end-to-end process. This stops feeling like a chatbot and starts feeling like you've got a capable person on your team who delivers without hand-holding. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. That's feature 1 down. On to feature 2, Gemini Workspace Actions. This is absolutely nuts. Gemini operates straight inside Google Docs, Gmail, Slides, Sheets, all your apps. You never leave what you're working on. No copying anything, no pasting anything. AI lives in your workspace with you. Think about your workflow right now. You write something in Gmail, then bounce over to ChatGPT to clean it up. Copy the new version, paste it back in Gmail, then see a mistake. Start the whole dance over again, completely inefficient. Gemini Workspace Actions eliminates this nightmare. Highlight your text right in Gmail. Ask Gemini to rewrite it. Boom, done right there. No opening tabs, no switching apps, zero wasted motion. Exact same thing in Google Docs. You're drafting a proposal and need help on one part. Ask Gemini, it writes it straight into your doc. You continue working, no stopping, completely seamless. Inside Google Sheets, you tell Gemini to analyze data, create formulas, generate reports, all without exiting the spreadsheet. This is how AI should integrate, living inside the tools you use every day, not sitting as another platform you have to remember exists. Here's the deal. Most AI forces you to change your entire workflow, creates extra steps, extra headaches. Gemini Workspace Actions does the reverse, fits into how you already work, makes everything faster. Honestly, after using this, you'll hate going back to the old way. We're about halfway done, and I've got to mention something that's helping thousands of people automate their workflows and accomplish way more with AI. The AI Profit Boardroom. This is your place to learn using Google Gemini and similar tools to reclaim hundreds of hours and scale your business faster. We share the exact systems, the automation blueprints, the workflows that actually perform, no theory, real actionable content you can deploy today. If you're sick of wasting time and want to leverage AI correctly, check out the AI Profit Boardroom. Link sitting in the description. Call back to the features. Number 3, Gemini custom instructions. This is basically giving AI a memory for your workflow, and it's a massive time saver. Here's the concept. You tell Gemini once how you operate, your preferred tone, your style choices, your specific requirements. Gemini remembers it forever. You're done explaining. Let me show you. Say you write a mountain of emails and you want them short, professional, no unnecessary words. You set that up as a custom instruction. Now, every single time you ask Gemini for an email, it already knows your rules. Short, professional, no fluff. You don't remind it. You don't add special prompts. It just executes correctly every single time. This applies to everything you create, blog articles, social media content, business reports, whatever you produce. On repeat, set your instruction one time. Gemini delivers it the same way forever, consistent results, super fast, zero brain power required. It's like training an assistant once who then always knows your exact standards. The killer part, you can run different instructions for different content types. Keep emails professional, make social posts casual, keep reports comprehensive, all automatic. This single feature rescues hours every week because you stop repeating yourself. Stop fixing identical mistakes over and over. Set it once and Gemini runs forever. Feature 4, Gemini file and data understanding. This one's incredible for anyone working with documents, PDFs, reports, spreadsheets, any form of data. The Gemini can now read all of it, understand all of it, give you answers in seconds, real situation. Someone sends you a 50-page report, you need the critical information, but don't have hours to read every page. Toss it into Gemini, ask what the important parts are. Gemini reads the whole thing, extracts the summary, gives you exactly what you need, done in 5 minutes. Or imagine you've got a spreadsheet with thousands of data rows, you need insights, trends, patterns you can act on. But manually analyzing takes forever. Upload it to Gemini, ask what matters. Gemini processes all of it, shows you what's significant. Simple as that. This isn't just about speed, it's about making better calls faster. Because Gemini sees stuff you'll miss, identifies patterns hiding in the data, compares information across sources, restructures everything so it makes sense, all happening in seconds. If files and data are your daily reality, this feature will change how you work. Feature 5, Gemini Multimodal Intelligence, meaning Gemini processes text and images at the same time, not separately, together. And this creates entirely new use cases. Example time. You grab a screenshot of some dashboard or graph or design file. You show Gemini and ask, what am I looking at here? Gemini examines it, gets the full context, breaks down what's happening, turns the visuals into insights you can use immediately. It's not just reading words, it's seeing, processing, connecting information. This is huge for marketers, designers, analysts, anyone dealing with visual content. You don't have to describe what's in the image. Gemini sees it, gets it, helps you make sense of it. You can ask it to compare two screenshots, find what's different and spot issues, suggest fixes, all from looking at images. Most AI is text only, completely blind. Gemini actually sees, makes it way more powerful for real world work. Final one, the feature 6, Gemini task chaining. This is a stealth feature. Google didn't hype it much, but it's low key agent style behavior, and it's really powerful. What task chaining means: you give Gemini a single instruction, and it completes multiple steps on its own. Research, summarize, format, output. One request handles everything. You don't split it up. You don't prompt it multiple times. Ask once, Gemini does the rest. Check this out. You say, research my top 3 industry competitors, summarize what they're doing, and build me a report. Previous AI, you'd need 3 separate prompts minimum: research prompt, summarize prompt, format prompt. New Gemini, one prompt, executes all 3 steps automatically in order while you do nothing. This is how AI agents function. They take your end goal, split it into action steps, execute the whole plan. Gemini is starting to work this way, not flawless yet, but moving there fast. When you combine task chaining with all the other features we just covered, you get something that genuinely feels like a smart assistant, not just software spitting out words. So there's your 6 features: advanced reasoning, so Gemini processes in steps; Workspace actions, so it operates inside Google Apps; custom instructions, so it remembers your preferences; file understanding, so it reads and analyzes documents; multimodal intelligence, so it interprets images; task chaining, so it executes multi-step processes. Here's what you do now. Go test these features today, not later this week, not when you find time, today, because the people mastering this stuff early are winning. They're moving faster, getting superior results, destroying their competition. If you want to learn saving time and automating your business operations with AI tools like Google Gemini, join the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where you get legitimate systems for using Gemini and other AI tools to cut your workload and scale faster. We show you exactly how to build these automations so they operate while you focus on growing your business. Links in the description. And if you want the complete process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes plus access to our community of 38,000 members absolutely crushing it with AI. That wraps it up for today. Hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.